Hello and welcome. I'm so happy to have you here today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to animate images and make videos like this using AI. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss out on any of our exciting tutorials. Remember, it's totally free. All right, let's get started.
Just search for Grok. Enter. Click this one. Great. If you have your account, sign in. If you don't have, sign up. I have my account, so I sign in. Okay. Now I am signing in to Grok. First, I need ChatGPT. Here. Okay. Go to ChatGPT. Write a prompt for Canva to generate an image. For example, write a prompt. Enter. That's the prompt. Just copy this prompt. Control copy. Come to Canva. Here, you can search for Canva. Canva. Okay. Just insert your prompt. Here, select image. Okay. Aspect ratio 16 to 19. It depends on you. If you use for mobile, you can select this one and so on. Just the style. Any style you can select it. I select cinematic. Insert. I don't agree with this one. It's too far. So I come back to ChatGPT. The man must be close, and the man must be close and it, and he represent in the studio. This time, control copy, come back to Canva, enter. For example, I select this one. Just download it. Okay. Now come back to Grok. Here, bring the image, upload file. This one, or I have another images. You see, for example, this one. Open. Now edit image. If you just click make video, directly he make video for you. Just wait. Let's click make video.
Welcome back to the show. Today, we're diving into some exciting new topics.
You can
Welcome back to the show.
You see how it realistic. You can customize the video and you determine the words he say. For example, I ask Canva to write a prompt. Write a okay. Now I write some welcome. The ChatGPT make it professional. Just enter. Let's see. Here. Hello and welcome. I am so happy to have you here today. For example, I bring this part. Only this part. Control copy. Come back to Grok. Type to customize the video. Here. Click this one. And just from here, say the words income slow and smooth tone. Let's see. Just enter.
Hello and welcome. I'm so happy to have you here today.
Okay. Now I download
Hello
this.
and welcome.
I download this one. For example, desktop folder, animate image for free. One. Okay. Now bring another text. I'm truly happy to have here. That was in this video. I'm going to show you animate images for free. Okay. I bring this part. Just one.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to animate images for free, and the best part is, it's completely free. In this video, I'm going to show you how to animate images for free.
Okay. Download this one again. 2. Save. Now bring the last part. It's not last part. Yes, last part. This one, control copy. You can use your image, it doesn't make any difference, okay? Run again.
Before we dive in, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss out on any of our exciting tutorials.
Okay. For example, I don't agree with this one. Redo. If you don't agree with this video, you can redo again. You can redo to see another version.
Before we dive in, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss out on any of our exciting tutorials. Before we dive in, don't forget to
download. 3. Bring the last part. All right, let's get started. I add another text. For example, remember it is totally free. Enter.
remember, it's totally free. All right, let's get started.
Okay.
Remember,
Download it.
it's totally free.
Okay, now I download all of them. Let's see here. I have all 4 videos. Just open Camtasia or CapCut. I open Camtasia. Import media. Import. Desktop. Animate image for free. Select all of them. Open. Select all. Bring it to here. Okay, now I want to remove this proxy. If you have this yellow symbol, it blur your image. So from edit, preference, advanced, delete all proxy, delete. Okay.
Hello and welcome. I'm so happy to have you here today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to animate images for free, and the best part is, it's completely free. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss out on any of our exciting tutorials. Remember, it's totally free. All right, Let's get started.
That's all. Don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Have a nice time.